American money for the upgrade of military bases in Cyprus is causing shock in Ankara. So significant funding will be given to Cyprus by the U.S. for the complete upgrade of key military facilities. The Associated Press reports that this will strengthen its role as a safe haven and humanitarian hub in the Eastern Mediterranean. This cooperation is part of the Defense Cooperation Roadmap signed in September 2024 and the strategic dialogue between the two countries. The funding aims to cover the needs for humanitarian missions and evacuation operations from war zones in the Middle East. The upgrades aim to make the Cypriot facilities compatible with NATO and European Union standards, especially in communication systems. For the fiscal year 2027, it is proposed to strengthen the IMET program, that is, International Military Education, with at least $500,000 for Cyprus. At the center of the projects are the naval base of Angelos Florakis and the air base Andreas Papandreou, which are expected to acquire new infrastructure to support evacuation operations and humanitarian missions. Specifically, at the naval base Evangelos Florakis, which is only 229 kilometers from the coast of Lebanon, the construction of a new helipad is planned with funding from the U.S. European Command. This helipad will be able to accommodate large transport helicopters of the Chinook type for the evacuation of people from crisis areas. At the same time, at the Andreas Papandreou Air Base in southwestern Cyprus, an expansion is planned with a new aircraft parking area so that heavy military transport aircraft can land on the island for multiple missions, naturally causing anger in Ankara and its unlawful plans. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion.